All right, go ahead. Take it away.
Take it away? Okay. Our topic is global warming and how it came about through history. So there's a lot of controversy these days about whether global warming is real or what the causes of global warming are. Science has told us that our world goes through climate change periodically, well, not very large time frames, but we've gone through multiple ice ages, multiple global warmings, but science has also told us that this global warming that we're going through right now is going way too fast. Why? So, we've heard other groups talk about industrialization. We've had them talk about how steam engines and other things led to mass production of products, and how these mass production of products led to a giant workforce coming in, and the effects on their civil rights and all of that stuff. But we're going to talk to you about the health of the people and the environment, the global environment. So, Michael, do you want to take away the cause and effect?
All right. Well, we have a cause and effect factor here. Industrialization, which is mass production in factories, led to the major use of coal and other resources to power the steam engines rather than capturing the heat from the environment and further using that. And then the burning of the coal led to emissions into the environment, which, as we probably all know, leads to
the obvious term. So, science, real quick, I know it's a history course, but real quick science, the gases that are produced by the steam engine go up into the atmosphere and get trapped in our atmosphere and block heat coming in as well as heat getting out, which is a natural cycle that we need to keep global homeostasis, if you can call it that. So, so the emissions are heating the world, and the environment is getting effects of that. And also, more than just global warming, other environmental effects have great effect on the species. You want to talk about the moths?
Yeah, I do want to talk about it. So in London, there is a species of moth, and there are a light-colored moth and a dark-colored moth. And originally, before industrialization, the light-colored moth was the dominant color, but then as the coal was burned, the emissions, it started turning the air darker because of all the soot going into the air, and the dark-colored moths suddenly started to blend in with the air, which made the light-colored moths more vulnerable to predators. Therefore, the dark-colored moth became dominant over the light-colored.
So this doesn't necessarily have to be a bad thing. I mean, one color moth over the other, they still are going to eat your clothing in the winter. But, yeah, they do.
Yeah, Peter.
But it is a change in our world that is worth taking notice of. That's a rather small effect for a global world, but it shows just how much we are changing based on the global warming and the emissions and the change that we're having. Another change that we're seeing, less in the environment, but to do with it, is in this country and a lot of other Western and global countries, there's a large focus on saving the environment or going green, which leads to a new industrial push. We have new products these days that are go green, or they have like a little green thing on the box that, sure, you're killing a tree for the box, but it's green now. So, like this whole new mentality of we're going green and has led to a new industrial push. Just an effect of global warming other than the environment. We want to save it, but we don't really know what we're saving or how to save it, I guess. So.
Right on.
I love this kid.
So,